Gonna check the meter socket here. So looking at a breaker panel here, we're gonna see what's going on. Gonna be grinding. So we're gonna put the riser going all the way up there. We're gonna go above here, and then we're gonna put a strap. So put 2 in each box, and I'm gonna find some flex. 116. 116. We could do this real quick. Glue it up with that one. Need some of these guys. Views. Make sure the nice little silver metal pipe always. Yikes. Did not want to do that. But you guys get the idea. Let's get this wedged in there. Alright guys, so we're getting this portion done here. We just finished this client. She's wonderful, good to deal with. And that's how we gotta get it done.